Hey, I'm doing another reaction video, but this game is called Safe Cracker. Let's do it. Alright, let's play this. So, level 1. Looks like there's not a lot of audio. Wow, that's pretty easy. Alright, well, let's do this, down this, over that, up, boom. Okay, this is a little bit trickier. Nope, it's not. Never mind. Oh, you guys might want to try this out, but it's like way easy. So, might not want to. I mean, it's fun, kind of, but... Okay, now it's getting more interesting. Oh, never mind. Figured it out. Just got like a bug gem from ancient times. That's cool. Dang, this one's harder. Yeah, guys, I was lying. You just need to try this. It's fun. Boom. Got it again. And I got a pearl necklace. Cool. Let's go through there. Down, nope. Up, no. Oh, God. Let's go that down, that over. No. Back over. That's up, that's over. Come on. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm just changing games here. Let's play Slendy Tubbies. Let's play Slendy Tubbies. Alright, well, I'm gonna do a part 2 of this, of Slendy Tubbies, and you guys can see me react to it later. That was my reaction to Safecracker. It's an okay game. All you really do is just move blocks around so you can get the orange blocks connected to crack the safe and get whatever's inside. It's not that bad of a game, but it's also not that good of a game, so. Alright, well, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like. If you guys didn't, dislike. And if you guys want to see more, subscribe. Thank you. See you later.